Fucking take the copper out of a AC motor armature the easy way. Step 1, chop saw. There you go. We're halfway done. Let's come over here to the vise.
Oh, Dad, you might want to speak up a little, though. It is a little quiet.
Sure. Just take and hammer one side down so it fits in the vise real nice. Make sure you put it in the right way. Alright. Now we're going to take this little beauty right here. It's normally a seal puller. Today, it's a copper puller. We're just going to start working our way around. Oh, that's nice. Love how this stuff just doesn't do what I want it to do on camera.
Yeah, apparently it doesn't like you.
Oh, yeah, well.
Do you want some channel locks?
Possibly. It's still going a lot better than it usually does. Stand by.
Alright.
So I suppose every once in a while you gotta use these. Not terrible though. And we're done. Thanks.